Checking out this Ezviz C8C. This is their smart camera, 1080p. It's 360, I think. What I like about it is it's a ball, and no one can really tell where it's looking. See, I'm pulling everything out here. We've got the installation, some hardware, the power cable to it, and then the unit itself comes out. So now that I'm taking a look at it, most of the instructions are going to be on the app. I like that it's powered and that you get a pretty long cord here. You can also plug it into the RJ45 style, and then that's for the power. It's got Wi-Fi with the 2.5. It can spin and go up and down, and it has a color night vision mode. There's like three different night vision modes. Great reviews. Hope this helps.